Hello everyone, welcome to Grade 4 Literacy lesson. Our today's lesson will be about direct and indirect speech, and we are going to talk about punctuation in direct and indirect speech. For today's lesson, you will need a notebook, a pencil, and an eraser. Time by time, I will ask you to stop the video and to answer the questions. Take your time and answer the questions. Don't forget to write your answers in your notebook. Later, you are going to check your answers yourself. So, what is a direct speech? Watch the video. It is what we speak in real life or what characters speak in stories. Why direct speech looks different on page? How can we put the words from the conversations on the pages? Now, time to stop the video and think about it. Imagine that you are going to write a story where you have a dialogue between two people. How you are going to put this dialogue on your copybook, on your pages? What you need for putting the direct speech, for writing the direct speech. Welcome back. Of course, to put the conversation on pages, to write down the dialogue, you will need speech marks, full stops, question marks, and exclamation marks. This is how we put the direct speech on the pages. "Hello, what's your name?" asked the girl. "My name is Serkan," replied the boy. Speech marks or converted commas always guard the character's words and help the writer to give the spoken words exactly as it was said. I know that all of you know how to put the speech marks, how to use punctuation in direct speech. Okay, today we are also going to talk about indirect speech or reported speech. What is reported or indirect speech? In reported speech, the words said by the character can be slightly changed, and it is as if reported by the writer or teller of the story to another person. That's why it is sometimes called indirect speech. Sometimes you can call it even reported speech. For example, the girl asked the boy's name and he said his name was Serkan. As you see, in indirect speech or in reported speech, we don't need speech marks. And all the conversation is reported by the writer, by the storyteller. So now here I have 3 sentences, examples of direct speech. Stop the video and try to change all 3 sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. Here are some clues for you. Use past time, omit or drop speech marks, and always use word order for telling sentences. Don't use the word order for question sentences. Okay, now stop the video, make your notes, and we will see a little bit later. Welcome back. Now, please check your answer. Pay attention at the reported speech. She asked what time it was. He said that it was 10 o'clock. She shouted that she was late. We don't have speech marks here. We don't have question marks here. And all the sentences are like in statement, in telling sentences. Task number 2. Now, we have 4 sentences. Some of them are direct speech, some of them are indirect speech. Stop the video, please, and make notes which of them is direct and which of them is indirect speech? Welcome back. Now let's check our answers. Please check your answers. Task number 3, you are going to convert indirect speech. You are going to write this direct speech into the indirect speech. Welcome back. Now let's check our answers. Please take your time and correct your mistakes. Now you are doing in task number 4, you are doing vice versa. You are going to put indirect speech to the direct speech. Don't forget to use speech marks. Don't forget to apply all punctuation rules that you know about direct speech. Again, welcome back. Now let's check our answers. Take your time, correct your mistakes if you have. Now, you are going to have also some tasks on this topic in Open School System. Please check your Open School System homework section. Get your homework there. Don't forget to send all your tasks to my email address. Email address is also attached here. And I'm looking forward for your tasks. Don't miss your feedback from your teacher. See you soon.